When it comes to your face, choosing a self-tanner turns out to be a tricky task. But with the right products at hand, you can achieve that perfect tan for summer. This is why in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best self-tanners for face. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Achieve a natural-looking tan while ensuring perfect sun protection with the Supergoop Healthy Glow Sunless Tan SPF 40. It's a moisturizing sunless tanning spray lotion that provides your skin with protection and gives a buildable and natural-looking color. The product contains active ingredients such as avobenzone 2%, homosalate 10%, octinoxate 5%, and octisalate 5%. This light spray disappears into skin instantly and provides skin with a healthy and natural glow within 2 to 4 hours. It is easy to apply and remains water resistant for 80 minutes. Plus, this cruelty-free product is reef safe and suitable for all skin types. The Supergoop Healthy Glow Sunless Tan SPF 40 is a great product which has earned the trust of many users as it builds nicely and provides a natural-looking tan while being lightweight in nature. Additionally, they like the easy application, and the product ensures a nice glow, but some users didn't really like the smell. Let's take a look at the ratings now. In terms of value and price, we gladly give it 5 stars, but when it comes to acceptance, we'll give it 4 stars. Our next pick for today is the Beauty by Earth Face Self Tanner, which will provide your face with a beach glow while providing you with an ideal level of bronze by building tan one layer at a time. This smooth and creamy self tanner has many skin benefiting ingredients. Witch hazel in it aids in inflammation and makes your skin refreshed, while aloe vera provides soothing benefits and combats acne and eczema. It also has shea butter, which is great for moisturizing skin, and the goodness of cranberries takes care of your aging signs. And if that wasn't enough, Japanese green tea in it works to decrease redness, irritation, as well as premature aging. This product helps to hide scars and eczema, plus it evens out hyperpigmentation and provides skin with a beautiful glow. It's a cruelty-free and vegan product which provides results within 6 to 8 hours and comes with a non-streaking formula while containing a subtle coconut scent. The Beauty by Earth Face Self Tanner is admired by its users as it works great and goes on smoothly. The formula provides your skin with a natural tan and healthy glow without being sticky. But as it goes, a few users said that the product didn't work for them. Now it's time to check out the ratings. This non-comedogenic face self-tanner earns 5 out of 5 stars when it comes to value and price, but in case of user acceptance, it'll get 4 stars only. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Glow Pad Gradual Glow comes in the form of towelettes to provide you with an easy and mess-free application for achieving the perfect tan. Each pack comes with 20 towelettes, which work to provide your skin with gradual tanning results that can be customized. The product contains alpha-beta acids, which exfoliate skin for a smooth application, encapsulated DHA for providing time-release color, and sodium hyaluronate for hydrating skin and making it plump. The tan develops gradually within 3 to 4 hours of application, and the outcome is streak-free plus natural-looking glow. The alpha-beta ingredients provide your skin with anti-aging benefits, and you can achieve an even application with a bronze tan and healthy complexion. The Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Glow Pad Gradual Glow is favored by many users as it provides skin with the right amount of tan, and they also appreciate the product for being easy to apply and fragrance-free. But besides that, some users said that it didn't work at all. Let's rate this product now. We were overwhelmed by the efficiency of this product, and it also comes at an affordable price, so overall it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. The COOLA Organic Sunless Tan Anti-Aging Face Serum is a great option for you if you're looking for a product which will provide your face with gradual tanning results while taking care of your aging signs. This daily use gradual tan treatment contains many beneficial ingredients such as Centella asiatica, meristem cell, and Chlorella vulgaris extract. It has 70% plus certified organic ingredients and 99% plus natural ingredients, along with beet-derived DHA. The plant stem cell cultures work to provide your skin with anti-aging benefits. Argan oil and hyaluronic acid in this product help to nourish your skin, and it provides you with streak-free and transfer-resistant tanning results. It's an EcoCert Cosmos Organic Certified Serum, which is dermatologist tested and cruelty-free and vegan in nature, plus it contains a natural pina colada scent while being hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. This tan serum is appreciated by many users and has received quite a number of positive feedback, as it is non-greasy and doesn't contain any bad smell. On top of that, a little amount goes a long way, and this product provides a healthy glow. But some users complain of facing breakouts after using it. Time to check out the ratings now. We accepted the product for the value it comes with, giving it 5 stars on those. But it is a bit pricey, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. Our best pick for today is the Tan-Luxe The Face Illuminating Self-Tan Drops, which works to transform your moisturizer or serum into a self-tanner while enabling you to customize your tan. This product has the highest quality tanning actives, or DHA, which are naturally derived, and it is formulated maintaining a pH level of 4.5 to decrease traditional smell of self-tanning. It also has other ingredients such as raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera, which are great for nourishing and hydrating skin. You can use this product in the morning or night, and it will work as semi-permanent makeup. The self-tan drops develop glowing and natural-looking tan within 2 to 4 hours of application without the hassles of streaks and smell. Plus, you can choose a shade based on your skin tone and customize the tanning while minimizing the look of imperfections and uneven skin tone. Users are in love with this product as it provides a nice glow minus the smell. Plus, it doesn't clog pores and mixes well with moisturizer. But then again, some users complain that it left their skin orange. Moving on to the ratings. We really love the product for its overall formulation and affordability, so it'll get 5 out of 5 stars in total. So that was all about the 5 best self-tanners for face. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.